Today I will demonstrate how to make a homemade battery with pennies. Here's the equipment we will be using to make the battery. We will be using pennies, zinc washers, and cardboard matting. Our experiment is to test out which liquid between orange Powerade, vinegar, and salt water will work the best. First step, soak the cardboard in the liquid. The liquid will make a chemical reaction with the pennies and the zinc. In order to make a cell, I am stacking zinc washers, wet cardboard, and some copper pennies. Let's test the voltage of this cell. We have reached 0.6 volts. This cell right here, will not reach enough to power the LED light. Let's see what happens if we keep stacking more cells. Let's see if the voltage has increased. Let's see if 2.7 volts is enough to power the light. We're going to put the battery in this tube to see how long it will last. Now we'll build batteries with the other liquids too. Here's the voltage for the saltwater solution. Voltage for the vinegar solution. The voltage for the Powerade solution. We are going to connect this light bulb to the batteries and see how long they last. This is how you tape the battery. This is the voltage for the salt water, 2.22. This is the voltage for the Powerade, 2.07. This is the voltage for the vinegar, 2.42. My hypothesis was that the Powerade would be the highest battery, but the results was that the vinegar was. We tested the voltage 24 hours later without the lights. Here is the voltage from least to greatest. Vinegar with the least, 3.08. Salt water, with the middle, 4.26. And the highest, Powerade, 4.53. Even though the vinegar was the highest voltage at the start, the Powerade had the highest voltage one day later.